This male African Jacana has been left holding the babies. And since they hatched 2 days ago, he's taken them under his wing. Just like Dad's, their huge, splayed toes spread their weight over a large surface area, so they can almost walk on water. When Jacanas sense a threat, they usually scoop up their young and head for cover. But his chicks are scattered too far, so he sends out a secret alarm call, triggering an incredible anti-predator instinct. The chicks freeze. All Dad can do is hope they keep as still as possible. Once danger's past, he runs to pick them up. But one of his chicks is still missing, still frozen. Letting her breathe. But because she's underwater, she can't hear her dad's call. Finally, Dad's call is close enough to be heard, and the chick moves towards it. All back together, tucked in with Dad.